This keto salted caramel sauce is sticky sweet, sugar-free, and so easy to make. Start by adding a half a cup of unsalted butter to a saucepan over low heat. Once it's melted, add in a half a cup of allulose and a quarter cup of brown monk fruit allulose and whisk until it's melted. Then simmer on low for 5 minutes, whisking often. Turn off the heat and pour in 1 1/4 cups of heavy cream, and then whisk until it's well combined. Whisk in a half a teaspoon of salt and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes until it's thickened. Make sure you're watching it closely and whisking often. This will help prevent it from burning. Then turn off the heat, add in a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and it's ready to serve. Here I'm serving it over some ice cream, but you can put it over cheesecake, pancakes, you can spoon it over cookies. So many different ways you can use it. I hope you give it a try and enjoy.